Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing the Beauty 7-in-1 Professional Aluminum Interchangeable Rolling Makeup Train Case, a versatile storage solution for makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts. Whether you're a professional MUA, a hairstylist, or simply someone with a lot of beauty products, this organizer promises to help you keep everything in check, no matter where you're going. Let's take a closer look at its features and see how it holds up in real-world use. The Beauty Train Case is designed to be both a functional and durable storage solution for your beauty tools. It comes with 4 accordion-style side trays, perfect for storing small items like polish, lipsticks, and other cosmetics that need quick access. The spacious bottom compartment is ideal for larger items, such as curling irons, flat irons, or even a mannequin head. It's clear that the designers thought about the needs of professionals who travel and need to pack their products securely and efficiently. One standout feature of this case is its transformable design. It includes 3 detachable compartments and an extra lid, so you can configure it to fit your unique needs. Each section can be used individually or combined, making it a flexible option for those who may need to adjust their storage requirements as their kit expands. Plus, it's upgradable, meaning you can add even more storage options as needed from their interchangeable line of products. I've had the chance to use this case for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's quite impressive. First, the construction is solid. The aluminum material gives it a sleek, professional look while offering great protection for your beauty tools. The reinforced corners and metal hardware add to the sturdiness, ensuring that your products stay safe during travel. And speaking of travel, the 4 high-quality wheels make it a breeze to roll around, whether you're navigating busy salons or making your way through airports. The wheels are surprisingly quiet too, which is a nice touch when you need to move around discreetly. In terms of functionality, the sliding pull handle is smooth and stable. It feels secure when extended, and the hexagon tube design ensures there's no wobbling or instability. There's also a convenient top handle, which is great if you need to quickly grab the case and carry it by hand. But of course, no product is perfect. While the case is sturdy and well designed, one thing to note is that the overall weight of the case might feel a bit heavy when fully loaded, especially for those who need to carry it for extended periods. It's definitely built for durability, but it may not be the best choice for someone who's looking for an ultra-lightweight option. Also, the large size might be cumbersome if you're just looking for a compact makeup organizer for your everyday use at home. Now let's talk about the value for money. With its solid build quality, versatile design, and ample storage options, this case is priced in line with other professional-grade makeup organizers. If you're a beauty professional who needs something that can withstand frequent travel and keep your tools neatly organized, this is a solid investment. However, for those who just need something for basic home use or don't need all the extra compartments, there are definitely more affordable alternatives out there. In comparison to other high-end rolling makeup cases, the Beauty Train Case stands out with its customizable design. Some other brands may offer similar large cases, but they often lack the flexibility of detachable compartments and the ability to upgrade with additional storage. So if versatility and expandability are important to you, this is a noteworthy option. In terms of build quality, this case is designed to last. The metal reinforcements, lockable latches, and high-quality wheels all speak to its durability. I can see this lasting for many years if taken care of properly. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but considering the robust construction and functionality, it feels like a product that's built to handle the rigors of professional use. Customer support wasn't something I had to engage with directly, but based on the brand's reputation, they seem to handle inquiries efficiently, especially given the robust design and thoughtful packaging of the product. To wrap things up, I'd say this makeup trolley case is a game changer for anyone in the beauty industry who's looking for an organized, durable, and customizable storage solution. It's perfect for makeup artists, hairstylists, or anyone who needs to transport their beauty products in a secure and convenient way. While it might not be the best fit for those who only need a basic storage solution, it excels for professionals who value versatility and strength. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.